How to create clickable checkboxes in Microsoft Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. In today's video, I'll show you how to create clickable checkboxes in Microsoft Word. These are really useful for to-do lists, forms, surveys, and documents where you want users to tick boxes digitally instead of printing them out. So let's jump right in. Open up your Microsoft Word document, and on the ribbon bar, go to the Developer tab at the top. And there you can see the tick option in Controls. So you just need to tap on it and a checkbox will be inserted. So you can just create your to-do list or any questions and then put in more checkboxes if you want to. So there you go. Now you just need to tap on the checkbox and then you can just cross it out after it's done. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.